I made the teeth finally out of some white Sculpey, and I tried baking it, but not with an oven. What I did was I used a heat gun. And there's the results. You can see it actually burnt a little bit, but I'm finding that the burnt portions either can be painted over, or if I really want to, I can just sand it off, but just as easy to paint over top of it. And it hardened it up pretty good. So what I'm going to do is basically stick it in the, well, I'll paint it first, but I could stick it in here, I think. And then there goes my light. The sun just got cloudy. Notice there's a little bump there. I think it bubbled, so it takes a little bit of experimentation, but I think I can sand that down as well. It seems to sand reasonably well. I'll finish it off. Not bad. It seems to be working. I'll paint that up and let's see how it works. And I think we got some pretty good teeth in there. Just a matter of cleaning it up, smoothing it a little bit with some of the curved tools, and I'm getting a pretty good face in there. So bottom line, I think the main tip here is if you're going to do teeth and stuff, you can make them separately and then harden them, whether baking it in an oven. I found a heat gun work, but that's kind of trial and error. I didn't know what temperature to put it on. And some of it was turning brown, so I'm going to have to touch up a bit of it, but it worked. It hardened them up. And then I just stuck them in the face, and I'll bake the whole thing again as per instructions, which is 275 for 15 minutes for 1/4 inch. But I've heard that it's best to kind of slow things down, lower temperature, a little longer time perhaps. Keep an eye on it, of course, and make sure it doesn't brown up. But the beauty of it, if it does brown, you can paint over it. It's not a big deal. You can sand it off. We get there. We get there. It's all trial and error. This is all about learning. You're here to make mistakes and basically screw up. But eventually you get it right, and that's the whole idea. Keep trying until you get it right. Talk to you soon.